Hey guys, what's up? I'm sure you can see here because this wasn't in here in my last video when I was romping the quad, but find a good place to show you guys. Again, if you haven't already noticed, got myself a new car, 1969 Volkswagen Beetle. Fuck yeah. Leaks oil, shifter linkage needs to be fixed. I'll go ahead and show you guys that. Engine, strong rotor. I drove it around the storage lot, and oh, it's tight fit. Drove around the storage lot and onto the trailer. But yeah, pretty cozy little car. You could snuggle a bitch. However, this is the shifter. That's gonna be third. Oh, and the pedals are opposite, so if you can see that, but like it goes down to the floor rather up into the steering. Oh, I have a little thing right there. You probably can't see it. 1, 3. So first. Okay, that's neutral. So then first, second, third, fourth, then reverse, and then let's reverse. I'm gonna break the linkage, and then wipers. Hard to show what that is. Don't know what that is. Don't know what that is. Don't know what that is. I think those are the hazards. Got speedometer, fuel tank, and odometer. Turn signals. I don't think the horn works. Yeah, it's a cozy little bitch in here though. Interior is pretty mint. I don't know if you guys can see. But yeah, I totally see this being my first car. Not much for legroom though, in the rear. Who the fuck needs legroom? Yeah. I'm gonna go fuck with my air compressor now. So, yeah. I feel tiny next to my truck right there. Like that's how, like this is at eye level, that's how high the truck is compared to this. And it's funny because my dad's neighbor also has one of these except in green. So, woo! Open the window, hella. Should probably get that fixed. Here's my, it has one dent right here from where the previous owner slid into a ditch. There's the engine, pretty straight. That was hella loud. I want to pull this orange fucking painter's tape off. But I mean, it looks pretty sick, just white with a black stripe. And if you look at it, if I can get up on the bumper, if you look at it, this side is kind of wobbly. This side's straight, this side's wobbly. So, I'm gonna fuck with the air compressor and the quad now. So, talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.